In this week's edition of the Business Review, the tourism minister says he's pushing to bring more tourists from Russia. Edmund Bartlett made the disclosure as he welcomed the historic flight from Russia-based Norwind Airlines on Friday. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
11 hours of flight, hundreds of Russians disembarking, Sangster International Airport, the entry point, Jamaican tourism the winner. The scenes on Friday as Russia-based Norwind Airlines set down in Montego Bay, St. James.
For me, this is a little bit of deja vu, perhaps with a missing link.
That's because this airline landing in Jamaica is 10 years in the making for Mr. Bartlett, the contact made by him in his previous stint as a tourism minister to get direct flights from Russia to Jamaica. The dream was realized, but the flight stopped 5 years ago. Now in 2018, the resumption with a different airline and the tourism minister dreaming big.
So 310 passengers this morning came, and they're going to be doing rotation one every 10 days. And I'm advised that the ambition is not about 1 in 10 days, that we are soon to have one per week, 1 in 7 days. And then after that, the ambition is for us to have all year round.
Now Mr. Bartlett aiming to integrate this new flight and the passengers into the vision of having 5 million tourists visiting the country by 2021. The target upgraded by the Prime Minister to 6 million. But Mr. Bartlett not worried. For these Russians, they will be the last set to enter Jamaica needing a visa. The next set will be able to visit the country for 90 days without the requirement. And Mr. Bartlett indicating he has the space to hold them and more.
We're building more rooms. We're building more rooms that will facilitate you. In another few weeks, we're going to break ground for 1,100 more rooms in Montego Bay. And I'm discussing now with an investor who wants to build a nice new hotel in Negril.
And also introducing them to a new destination.
But we're also creating a new destination in St. Thomas, the southeast of Jamaica.
But the buzzword being a multi-destination, Mr. Bartlett hinting that he wants to tap into the airline's other destinations in the region.
We're excited about Jamaica becoming a hub for that, where you can bring the passengers here and then we move them to the other places that are close by, to Cuba, to Dom Rep and elsewhere. Or a little bit of the reverse, we won't mind either. If you land them in Dom Rep, they can come to Jamaica, as long as they are coming to Jamaica.
For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.